calculator version, and electronic calculators must not be used in this paper. So let's start. Question number 1, part A, evaluate. Whenever there is evaluate means find the value of, and find the value of means you have to give the numerical answer. We take this 49 multiplied by 100. Square root of 100 is 10, and the square root of 49 is a perfect square, its square root is 7, so the answer will be 70. Then evaluate 5 cube. 5 cube means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, which is 125. It is always recommended you must know the squares of first 15 numbers 1 till 15, as well as the cube of first 15 numbers. That helps a lot. Question number 2 is board mass. First we do multiplication. 7 times minus 5. First we will solve this part because board mass multiplication comes first. So minus 8, and 7 times minus 5, plus into minus is minus 35. So now the both numbers have the same signs. They will be added, and the sign of the larger number will be written with the answer. 35 plus 8 is 43. So minus 43. Always write answer in answer space. In question number 3, shade one more small triangle so that the shape has rotational symmetry of order 3. Rotational symmetry of order 3 means if we give a complete turn, if we rotate this object through 360, when rotating this diagram, the figure must be retained 3 times during one complete turn. Means at every 120 degrees rotation we must have the same shape. Right slant column will become the bottom horizontal, and bottom horizontal will be mapped on left slant one, and the left slant will be on the right slant. If we shade this triangle, that triangle will help us. If we rotate after 120, we will be having the same figure. After 240, again we will have the same figure. If this figure is rotated about its center through 360 degrees, we will retain the same ditto shape 3 times during the rotation. So by shading this triangle, this one more small triangle will have the rotational symmetry of order 3. Write down the name of the solid formed from each net. This is the net of cuboid. So by taking this rectangle as base, when it will be folded, this will become, this will be this one. For this, that will make, if we fold this, this will become folded down, this one, that will become this one. And same way, this corner is this one, this corner is this one, and when folded backward, it will become this one. So this is the cuboid. Second part is square pyramid. It's the pyramid with square base. In this case, the square will become base. When folded, these 4 triangles, those will become 4 slant heights of the pyramid. So this would be a pyramid with square base. What shape it would be? This is the base. Base thing is this one, and let me make it like this. If I fold this one, that will become like this. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, when folded this third triangle, it would be like this one. Folded. This edge will be joined with this one, and this is where it will be rotated. In same way, this fourth one will be here in this case. Here. And then, so this is triangular prism. Prism with the base triangle. Prism, triangle as its base. Right angle triangle as its base. Question 5. In question number 5, topic is angles of polygon and parallel lines. In the diagram, ABCD and FEGH, they are parallel lines. So ABCD, this is a straight line, and EFGH, they are the straight lines which are parallel. The lines CF and BG, they intersect at X, and the angles which are labeled in the diagram, they are mentioned here. GFX is 53, BGF is 46, and BXC is 81. The first part of the question is find CXG, this angle. CXG is, BXG is a straight line, CXG and BXC, they are angles on a straight line. So their sum will be 180. In other words, CXG will be 180 minus 81, and that gives us 99. So CXG is 99. Then the next is BCX. BCX is this angle. BCX, let's label BCX. AD, the line AD and EG, they are parallel. So here we can clearly see, if you consider that this is Z type thing. So in other words, ACF and CFG. Let's rephrase it. We have to find BCX. We can say BCX and XFG, they are alternate angles, because BC and FG, they are parallel and FC is transversal. So BCX and XFG, they are alternate angles, so they will be equal. So it means BCX is equal to 53. And the C part is find ABX. So ABX, let's label it. In this case, AB, if we see AB and EG, they are parallel, and BG is transversal. So we can say ABX and FGX, they are interior angles with BC and FG parallel, or you can say AB and FG parallel and BG as transversal. ABX and FGX, they are interior angles, they are supplementary. ABX plus FGX, their sum is 180. In other words, ABX is equal to 180 minus 46. ABX will be 180 minus 46, 134. Question number 6, 69 divided by 0.3. So 69 divided by, when converted 0.3 as a common fraction, it will become 3 over 10. So 69, when we change the sign of division into multiplication, we take the reciprocal of the fraction after it. So 3 over 10 will become 10 over 3. Dividing 69 by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 23 times 10 is 230. 230 will be the answer for part A. Part B, we are given two fractions. We have to work out 1 whole 4 over 7 divided by 3 over 5. Give your answers as a mixed number. In this question it is stated that we have to give the answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So mixed number means in this pattern, 1 whole 4 over 7. This type of answer should be there. We will convert this mixed number in proper fraction. 7 ones are 7. We multiply the denominator by this whole number part and then add the numerator. So 7 times 1 plus 4, that will be 11 over 7. We will change the sign of division into multiplication, so we will take the reciprocal of the fraction after it, so it will become 5 over 3. No simplification is possible because all 4 numbers here, they are prime numbers. We will simplify, multiply numerators by numerators and denominators by denominators. 11 5s are 55 over 7 3s are 21. And converting this into the mixed number, we will divide 55 by 21. 21 2s are 42 minus 5 minus 2 is 3, 13. So the answer will be, this question has 2 marks. The answer will be, the quotient is the whole number part and remainder is the numerator and the divisor is denominator. So 2 whole 13 over 21. That is the answer in the simplest form. Question number 7. By writing each numbers correct to one significant figures, estimate the value of this. So here 2 concepts are involved. First thing is we have to convert each number correct to one significant figures, and then we have to simplify. 8, 2, 3, 0. One significant figures 8. So after 8 there is 2, so it will be 8. It will remain 8 because after 8 there is 2. And to save the place value, we will put 3 zeros after 8. So means 8,230 rounded correct to one significant figure will become 8,000 and multiply by 0.6. To keep it one significant figure, 0 on the left, that is not counted. When expressing 0.64 correct to one significant figures, we will leave the answer till 6. And after 6 we have 4, which is less than 5, so 0.6 will remain 6. 18.7. Correct to one significant figures, we have to keep till the first number, but here after 1 is 8, so we will increase it 2, and to save the place value, we will put a 0 after 2. So 18.7 correct to the nearest one significant figures will become 20. Furthermore, 8,000 multiplied by 6 over 20. This 0.6, I have removed the point and point from 0.6. As a result, we will have 1 with 1 0 means 10 in the denominator. 0.6 is 6 over 10. 1 and 2 zeros, 1 2 zeros, 2 3s are. Finally, we are left with 8 3s are 24 and 1 0. So 240 will be the estimated value of this given expression.